So I just want to wrap this up, just showing you that everything is still running here. I hope it's the same on your machine, by the way. Let me just get all cats, there they are. Let me get a single cat, doing my get by ID, everything's running, and let me just make an error, just adding an extra 2 something here, and you'll get an error back. So everything, the code is still running. Now, the next step is kind of a crazy step, but I'm going to remove everything. I'm going to remove employees, cats, and actually also things from the application, because I want to try and show you how we'll build a full stack REST API as the next lesson. So the reason that I'm not just making a new full stack is I want you guys to see the kind of errors you'll get as you start removing an API here. So it should be this easy. I should just be able to take the folders here that I don't want anymore and delete them. So there we go. I'll delete all of these folders, the cat, the employee, and the thing. So they're all gone now. I only have the user. I want to keep that one because I want to keep my authentication running as it already does. So let's try and see now that I've removed these guys if everything is still happy. That was the wrong one. That was my, there it is, the grunt, and everything looks fine still. So let's just stop this and restart the server. So we start getting exceptions here. And okay, what are you helping me with here? Oh, it's just stuck in the browser, never mind. So let's look at what's actually going on here, because it's not enough just to remove the files, because the full stack scaffolding have tied you up into other files, and those are the files I just want to run over if you decide to remove an API, because I've done that the first time and it kind of sucked because I couldn't find all the files that I had to change. So let's have a look at this. Well, the first place is in the seed. Okay, so when we're seeing the files, we're using some specific models. So let's have a look at the seed.js file. And well, sorry guys, but these guys aren't here anymore. The thing is gone, the cat is gone. So let's just remove all the thing and all the cat here. There we go. It's all out of the way. I'll save again. So let's go back to our beautiful application and see what the next step is. Okay, can't find API cats. Where's that? Well, if I look here, it's in routes, just as I expected. If I go into routes, I have a few usages here of specific files. This is the cat for the employee and for the thing. Let me just remove those as well. Save it again. Going back into my console here and just checking out again what's going on here. Well, it actually said it was finished populating. Okay. So it seems that everything is now running, but I know there are a few more places. Let's go into socket.io, for instance. Here's also an employee and a things. Let me just remove those as well. There we go. Actually, let me outcome one because I want them. I might want something like this back, and I'm just keeping the employee. I forgot how to do it later. This will be auto scaffolded for you anyway, so don't worry about it. It'll take care of it for us. What else do we have? I think that should be pretty much it. So if things still seem to be running here, let's have a look. Everything seems to be running. And if I refresh the page, we'll start getting some errors because I just removed things, right? Now things was actually one of the main things on our page, but we can still check if this is running by just trying to log in. And I'm logged in now, I can log out, everything seems to be running. So everything is running, I've cleaned up my code. So for the next video, I'm actually going to start building the real REST API, which is going to be some kind of way for us to plan a course. And we'll do that for the next lesson, and then we'll make a real REST API with some real problems and get away from these simple cats, because they were pretty basic stuff. So see you for the next lesson, hopefully.